everybody, it's Sonjdra Deluxe pulling up with Nudestix, giving you some Canadian flavor. I'm very excited today because I get to reveal the Summer Solstice collection. My birthday, time to party. I'm super excited to be partnering with Nudestix. It's a Canadian company and I'm a Canadian gal, so let's get it. I'm really excited to show you what's in my little bundle, the Summer Solstice collection, a Sonjdra Deluxe. I chose colors that inspire me in the summertime to have a hot girl summer. Also, I wanted things that were very versatile, that gave you room to play, making things more dramatic or more soft and natural, like, I'm not wearing anything, you know? So without further ado, let's get into it. Here she is. Inside, we got 4 goodies. These are some of my favorites. If you watch my YouTube channel, you've probably seen me use them before. And also there's a little new in there too. So these are the 4 babies right here. I'm gonna get in nice and close. So first up, we have the Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. This is one of my favorite products because it is so versatile. I've also used it on my cheeks before. And it's a sheer, buildable, velvety matte, blurring, just pop of color. And I love it so much. I tend to get a little bit darker around the outer edges of my lips. And this really color corrects. It's a very warm shade and it just feels super hydrating on my lips. I like how it gives my lips like a super youthful appearance, and you have a lot of time to kind of blur and play with it. But just to give you an idea of color kind of possibilities, it's beautiful as a lip blush and it's also really nice as a full-on lip color. I really love to mix it with the Nudestix Hydropeptide Lip Butter, which is what I got on right now, and I just blur it on to have just soft bitten lips. It's all an even color and then give them that hydration and a little bit of gloss. Or you can just wear it matte and have it look like a nice kiss of color. It almost reminds me of like a flower petal, how it's really soft and it's matte and it's just luscious. One of my favorites. Like I said before, I've actually used this on my cheeks and in my eyes, so I like products that are versatile and also super finger friendly. So that's Hot Paprika. Next up, we have the Magnetic Matte Eye Color in Desert Sun. If you've seen my videos, I've used this 100 million times and I love it because it is super long wearing. I don't think I've found something that lasts as long in my waterline and stays as bright as this right here. I like it because it's a soft peach shade, and I find sometimes if I go too light, it's a little bit aggressive. So this is a nice way to open up my eyes. I put it in my waterline. It makes my eyes look nice and open and dolly-like. And also when I want to do kind of a lazy cut crease, I'll do my crease color and I'll take this and just roll it on top of my lid to get a beautiful cut crease that's so easy. Like I said before, it lasts a really long time, so it pairs well with other eyeshadows or other products and other formulas. And I will show you a perfect pairing in the next product, but I just want to give this a little swatch on my hand so you can see the coverage. It is full-blown coverage. Covers my tattoo, and this is super long wearing, as I mentioned before. Once it dries, I'll show you that she is not coming off. Now I'm gonna get into our next product while that dries. This is the Bubbly Bebe Nudies Glow, and I love this. There is a brush on the other side. You know I'm a finger girl. I like to blend with my fingers, but this is really nice if you just want the sheerest little bit, really quick and easy blending. Or you can do like me and just warm it up with your hands and press it into the skin to give that really nice wet look. Hot girl summer sheen for the beach. The little reflective pearls in it actually help to blur the skin underneath, and there's a little bit of dewiness that doesn't feel sticky but does give a nice gloss effect. I actually will tap this over top of my Desert Sun so it's extra long wearing when I want to do it on my eyes for kind of a glossy lid look, and I'll also show you what it looks like swatched. I love this because it's almost a little deeper than a champagne color, and I like it because I find it works gorgeous on lighter skin tones as well as deeper skin tones, and you can really layer it up to build it so it's really intense, like a high beam. Or you can have it nice and sheer and like a little dewiness with a little bit of finger, really buff it out with the brush. Fadey wave, and it goes well with our color story. Last but not least, and this is one of my favorite things, I think it's gorgeous, and this is something that I think is super on trend. This is the Rusty Rouge Nudies Bloom All Over Face Dewy color, and I love this. Another versatile product that is really great. I'm gonna put it underneath here to wear really sheer, or if you want to really build it up. It's gorgeous gorgeous. It gives a little bit of dewiness, not sticky, and it makes your skin look really youthful and healthy underneath. I'm really excited about this, and I feel like these fit really well into our color story with the Hot Paprika. This is our whole color story here, and everything fits really well for summertime when you want to play up your eyes, add a little bit of a warm bronzy glow to your skin, or a little bit of warmth along with our summer vibes. And I like that they are multi-use and work for many different skin tones. I'm so excited about this collection. Like, they're all super me. Great for summer to have a more natural glow, but if you want to turn up at nighttime, they're very easy to build up and get some more drama for your mama. I know you're gonna love this. It's a birthday turn up kit, and I'm so excited about it, and I hope you guys all love it too. Thank you so much, and enjoy your goodies.